Hey you! Today we are doing something a little bit different. We're gonna go to Bosque Los Pinos, which is pine forest in Cayey, with a few ladies here, and we don't know each other. Some of them do. I don't know any of them. So Daniela, which is the one that orchestrated all of this, she just made a group and a group chat for those that enjoy nature, all girls, and just get together, enjoy the sunset here, enjoy the hike, enjoy nature, enjoy each other. And then, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It was a challenge to get here, a lot of curves, a lot of up and down, but I made it all by myself and we're gonna start soon. So let's go. This is the parking right here. If it rains, it would get really muddy. Look at that. Creepy. You can see the water way over there, the coast. Wow, it feels so nice here.
Comprar comida para los caballos y también buscar una manera de tenerles como cubos para agua.
Going up, going up.
Súper abundante. Mariposita. Vamos a empezar a subir piedra.
I'm out of breath. Ah. But look at this.
Yeah, I just want to sweat it all. Sudar y sudar. Súbele, súbele. ¡Qué mundo!
There's this rock here that you can take pictures right there. You can hang your feet, your legs, or stand up there. Just be careful. Almost sunset time and this is very tranquil here. I love it. We've been sitting under the pines for a while, just talking, sharing stories, and it's been a very good experience overall. And it's actually a little chilly right now, so it's getting a little bit cold. We are leaving. Let's go. Ay. Ay, se me enredó el micrófono. I hear the coquí.
Estamos aquí. Maravilloso. Ay.
Coquí.
Qué bello, sí. 3, 2, 1.
Parece Bob Ross.
Ay, literal.
Happy accident.
¿Cómo tú estás? Un pedacito se metió en la cueva. De pronto asomó la cabeza. Siempre que me digo
Los honguitos.
tengo una colección de honguitos silvestres. Se ve cabrón, gracias.
Is this real? Wow. Listen to the coquís.
Look at the moon.
This is Daniela, the one that orchestrated
Hi.
all of this. We came here to what?
To disconnect, to connect.
Exactly.
That's exactly what we did.
We are by the entrance already where we left the cars. You could hear all the coquís, all the grillos. You could see all the neighborhood down there and the pines. This is such a beautiful experience. I loved it.